everyone, this is Sam with Keys of Hekate. Welcome back to my channel. I'm doing the unboxing for the Witch's Moon for January 2021. I believe the theme for this month is, I think it might be cutting cords or something to do with, yeah, I think it's cutting cords. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get into it. I'm gonna check the theme just to make sure, because I'm not entirely sure what the theme is really. But all right, let's take a look. They always do an oracle card or a tarot card. It says, the blessing of questioning. Examine and identify any belief that stems from an irrational fear. Ask yourself, do I still need this? If the answer is no, then replace it with a trusting, more loving belief. Blessings flow to you as soon as you do this. Set yourself free. Namaste. That's cool. Pretty art. I haven't seen that deck before. Yeah, let's just take a look at the theme. Yeah, cutting of cords. Okay, cool. I'll put that to the side though, because I don't want to spoil myself here. So it looks like we got, oh, looks like I accidentally got two of them. Looks like it's the same one, but I got two. So we got some sort of sigil. Not sure what it's for, but we'll take a look and see. But I just happened to get two. Then we got a Book of Shadows correspondences page for in bulk, because that's coming up on February either 1st or 2nd, depending what day. It says Bridget up there. That's very cool. Very pretty. Then we have another bigger Book of Shadows page for the actual theme. It says cutting cords. Then it has well, the whole thing about the chakras, but having to do about, you know, cutting away attachments, you know, heavy feelings, anxiety, letting go of things that you don't need, which is kind of good for a theme for, you know, the beginning of the year. It's a good theme for the beginning of the year, letting go of things you don't need anymore and what doesn't serve you. So in bulk, Sacred Salt. It's orange, that's kind of nice. Pretty. Smells nice. And we got some angelica root and some spearmint. Nice. We have some herbal tea, which, I can't read that. Jacutus? I cannot read that. I'll have to look at the paperwork. And then we have some little bags for it. Yeah, I cannot read that. Yeah, maybe you can read that. And then we have, looks like a huge thing of rose quartz, which rose quartz is always good, but it's a big chunk of it. Very nice. It's in the hand nicely. We got a release anointing oil. Looks like there's some lavender in there. Quite a bit of lavender in there, and I'm not sure what else there, but Smells nice, like always. I'll have to take a look and see what else is in there besides all that lavender. And then we have our cat candle. There's something big in there. I wonder if it's like gonna be like scissors or something, like ritual scissors, right? I don't know. And we have a nice white candle. Nice. All right, so we have our incense for harmony. And then our big thing, this nice, huge thing. So what is this? What? Oh, it's, of course, cutting. It's an athame or athame. You know, I didn't have a I mean, it's what's the word? It's made out of yeah, selenite. I couldn't think of the word. Wow. And it's big selenite too. I mean, that's huge. That's really cool. It's definitely not a small one at all. I had been looking for one and I thought, oh, should I get one or not? But that's why if you have these subscription boxes, you should always wait. Like, just put it on your Amazon wish list and don't buy it, because if you get these subscription boxes, you'll probably get one eventually. So just just wait for a little bit and then just have these subscription boxes, and then you'll end up getting what you want. That's been my experience so far. So anyways, all right. So cutting of cords. Through the journey of challenging times, overwhelming emotions, and traumatic experiences, we begin to create energetic and spiritual attachments that tend to linger as we work through every aspect of our practice and daily life. These attachments can be so deeply embedded for extended periods of time that they may seem irrelevant or simply part of our life experience. As we step into the return of the late half of the year, welcoming the sun, we work to shed these attachments and come to a sense of realization and new opportunity. Only in this space are we able to truly create vibrant and authentic experiences through our rituals and practices. We've been working so diligently on these very sacred collection so that you may walk confidently towards a beautiful time of transformation and growth. If you want to go ahead and pause the video and read through, you can. I'm not going to read through everything, but it does mention the hand-carved selenite athame or ritual knife. Yeah, cord cutting is like, the athame ritual knife is pretty common in witchcraft, although I haven't had one, but it is common in many people's practice. Cord cutting, Book of Shadows artwork, the sigil, the the spell candle. It says Newfound Intentions spell candle. The Release Magical Anointing Oil. The Spearmint Herb. Angelica Root. So it's vacuitous. I thought that was a J when I was looking at it. Yeah, I definitely couldn't tell that at all by the font, but it's okay. And then rough natural rose quartz, the incense sticks, the sacred salt. What was in the sacred salt? Jasmine and violet oils, as well as elderflower and jasmine herbs. I was gonna see what was in the anointing oil actually, because I said there was lavender in there. There was lavender, peppermint, and spearmint. It did smell minty, so that was what was in there. But okay. And then there was the Invoke Correspondences Book of Shadows artwork, which I really liked. The oracle reading, and then you always get an additional parchment paper to write intentions on. So yeah, I really like this, like always. I'll put the information for this box, like always, in the description box below. This is really, really pretty and super shiny too. I can see it in the little viewfinder on my camera. It's really shiny, but that's just me being distracted by shiny. So anyway, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. If you have any comments for me, just say so below. And yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you guys have a good invoke, and I'll talk to you later. Thanks. Bye.